Hello to everyone! I'm Violetta and Russian for Foreigners today. Today, as you remember, we should speak about another new cases. So it's instrumental and prepositional. So let's speak about instrumental one. It's so important. Instrumental – творительный падеж. So творительный падеж. What does it mean? It means that the noun at the sentence answer at the question with whom, кем, by what, чем. These two questions you should know. If the noun at the sentence answer at these two questions, it means you should know that it's a instrumental cases. So let's check examples. I write with a pen. I write with a pen. I write, пишу with a pen. Instead of say with a, we change the end of the word ручкой. So ручка, it's a pen, ручка. But the word ручка answered in the question чем, by what. It means you should change the end of this word. So the end will be ой, ручкой. Do you understand what I mean? It's so important, and my Russian friend understands. So he's happy. Let's check another example. Potato with a sour cream. You know, in Russia we have a sour cream. It's a special one. We say smetana. It's a Russian traditional. So we like to, it's so tasty, we like to use it with a potato. So let's say potato with a sour cream, with a smetana. So potato, картошка, with с, or so, we can say, сметаной. So, if you say сметана, it's a word without changing the end. But you should, because the word сметана answers at the question с чем, with what. So, by what, with whom, with what. So, it means сметаной. Сметана should change for сметаной. You understand? You should change the end of the word. So let's move to the next one. Prepositional case. Prepositional, it means предложный. Предложный. Because in Russia, предлог, it means preposition. That's why from the word предлог, we can make предложный. It means prepositional. So, as in English also. Okay, what does it mean? How you can find that it's a предложный падеж? It means the word in the sentence, the noun, should be answered as a question. О ком, it means about whom. О чем, about what. And where. 3 questions should be. So, if the word answers these three questions, it means the word should be changed. So the end of the word should be changed. So, and before we can see some examples, I want you to know something more important. This prepositional case, why prepositional? Because we use after the prepositions. Which prepositions? First one, v. The first one, v, not b. Be careful, guys, it's a v because it's a Russian language, not English one. So it means in, v, in. Na, it means on or at, the same, na. And the last one, o, it means about. You have just one letter, o, instead of say about. So, example. Я, it means I am, я в школе. It means I am at school. Instead of say at, we say в. So, I am at school. Я в школе. But the word школа, it means school, should be changed because the word школа отвечает at the question where, где, where, где. So the word школа changed and we can say в школе. В школе. So, школе. Yeah, at the end of the word. So, for instance, another one. Думать, it means thinking. Or, do you see? We can see or, it means about, this preposition. Or, about. Or, семье. Думать о семье. Do you see the word семья? It means family. Думать о семье, it means thinking about family. So the word семья should be changed. Instead of say семья, we should say семье. At the end, we can see «е», «семье». Why? Because the word «семья» answered at the question «о чем?», «о ком?». So, «о семье». About whom? «О семье». So, думать о семье, думать о тебе. It means about you. Думать о школе, about school. Do you see every this word has at the end yeah. So I hope this understandable for you. If you have any questions, ask me. I will be happy to answer and see you at the next lesson.